Okay, next discussing about importance of ecological diversity. So ecological diversity. So ecosystem variations also called variations called ecological diversity. Ecological diversity and its importance. Now explain the Paul Ehrlich's theory. Paul Ehrlich's theory. It is the best example of ecological diversity. He identified the theory is Rivett-Popper hypothesis. So Paul Ehrlich's theory is Rivett-Popper hypothesis. Rivett-Popper hypothesis. It explains consequences that happen when some species are lost in the ecosystem. Rivett-Popper hypothesis is explained by, for example, of aeroplane. Taken an example of aeroplane. Take an example of aeroplane. So it is the best example of ecosystem. So various rivets of the plane are considered as the various species. So it is also aeroplane having many rivets. Many rivets. So what is a rivet? Rivets is also called bolts. Rivets also called bolts. Rivets are bolts. So for example, the seat has bolts and wings have bolts and many parts. Aeroplane, all parts having the many bolts. So many bolts also having a rivets. Rivets are bolts are equal. Same word. So rivet or bolt. Okay. So take an example of aeroplane. So it's having a many rivets. So likewise, the ecosystem having many species. So each species is explained by rivets. Each rivet equal to each species. Each species of ecosystem. Each species of ecosystem. So rivets having a aeroplane, but number of species having a ecosystem. Number of species having the ecosystem. So various rivets of the plane are considered as the various species. Various rivets of the aeroplane has considered as a various species. First of all, the removing of rivet. Removing of a rivet. Removing of a rivet from a seat may not damage the plane. Okay, so first of all, removing of a rivet from seat from not damage the airplane. First of all, removing of a rivet from seat not damage the airplane, but removing of unimportant part of species or from ecosystem not damage that. Likewise, removing of unimportant of species are from ecosystem not damage the ecosystem. Okay, so first of all, the removing of rivet from the seat may not damage the aeroplane. Okay, so removing of rivet from seat. Seat rivet is removed, then not damage the aeroplane. Likewise, unimportant species are not damage the ecosystem. Remove the unimportant species of ecosystem, not damage the ecosystem. So likewise, then removing of then removing of rivet from wing, rivet from wing is a critical part. It is a critical part. So removing of rivet from wing is a critical part. Then damage the aeroplane. Then damage the aeroplane. So likewise, then removing of important part of a critical species. Critical species are a very important species. So very good breed. So removing of important part of critical species are removed, then damage the entire community. Then damage entire community of ecosystem. Entire community of ecosystem. So it is a very important 4 marks question also. Okay, so first of all, the best example is the aeroplane. Take an aeroplane. It is its rivets are equal to the species of ecosystem. So first of all, the removing of a seat bolt or seat rivets then may not damage the airplane, but removing of rivet from wing, so it is a critical part, then damage the airplane. So likewise, unimportant parts of unimportant species are removed from the ecosystem, may not damage the ecosystem, but removing of important parts are critical species are remove the ecosystem, then damage the entire community. So that is the Paul-Ehrlich's theory. And next one is role of biodiversity. The role of biodiversity has main 3 roles. So first one is narrowly utilitarian argument, and second one is the broadly utilitarian argument, and third one ethical argument. So these are the main role of biodiversity. Narrowly, it is the broadly, so it is the ethical. And first one is the narrowly utilitarian argument. Human beings have economic benefits from nature as a biodiversity is called reservoir of resources. Reservoir of resources. What is a reservoir of resources? Human beings have more benefits from nature. More benefits from nature as a biodiversity. Nature as a biodiversity is called the reservoir of resources. So first of all, narrowly utilitarian arguments. So narrowly utilitarian argument is that human beings have more benefits from the nature as a biodiversity is called the reservoir of resources. Or food, firewood, fiber, construction materials, industrial productions. Okay, so food, firewood, fiber, construction materials, industrial products. etc., etc. And also it's having a medicinal important products also. Medicinal important products also. So that is the vinblastine Distalin. So vinblastine Distalin. So vinblastine Distalin, vinblastine and Distalin. Distalin, these are anti-cancer drugs. Anti-cancer drugs and treated as cardiac problems. And treated as cardiac problems. Okay, so food and fire and construction materials and medicinal products also. So medicinal products. So medicinal products are mainly antiblastin, vinblastine, Distalin. So vinblastine, Distalin. So these are the mainly anti-cancer drugs. So these are treated as a cardiac problems. So it is the narrowly utilitarian arguments.